Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this tutorial today we'll see how to clone a repository in Visual Studio Code directly, and we'll commit and push it directly from Visual Studio Code to Git repository. We will not using any terminal or any Git bus window. So without any delay, let's start. So let's move to GitHub. Here you can see I have created one repository, empty repository. Let's copy it, and once you copy it, now let's move it and start cloning. So this is my repository and this is my token. I prefer using Git authentication token. So I can now I will attach this token to the repository at the rate, so it will be easy for authentication. Now let's move here. We'll clone the repository here. Now press it, now clone it. Now you can see once you click on it is asking clone from URL. Click on clone from URL. It is asking which path you need to clone it. So we'll be using download. So now select as the repository destination. Now it is cloned. So once clone is over, it is asking whether you want to open here or open a new window. So I'll prefer new window. So prefer open a new window. So now you need to trust it. Yes, I trust the authors. So now you can see this window is this our repository is cloned. So now we'll create a file. Let's consider we are creating a file test android.java. Okay, so now write something. We'll write a log.d, then write something. Test. Okay, so now this is the we've created a new file and written in that something in file. Now go to this source control, click on the source control on the left side of the Visual Studio Code, click on this. Now you can see this file is not staged, so you need to stage it. Click on this plus icon to stage the changes. Now staged. Now you need to we need time to commit it. Now you need to give some proper valid message so that other developers can understand. Pushing test files. Now you need to commit it. Click on the commit. It is committed. Now it's time to push. Click on this three dot. Now you need to push it. So now you have pushed it. So now you can see it is pushed now. Now go to GitHub repository and you can see, you just refresh it. Now you can see now this test Java, it has been pushed, and you can see the test Java has been pushed, and you can see the commit description here. You can see the commit message. So this is post. Thanks for watching.